What will be your immediate response when you have a flat tire or a punctured tire? Will you enter full panic mode, do it yourself, or call out a specialist? Doing it yourself or calling out a tire specialist is the right response when you have a punctured tire or a flat tire. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your tire safely under 15 minutes and also point you to the right platform to find the right tire specialist. Grab yourself a drink and let's get started. All you need is a spare tire, wheel wrench, jack, and a chalk. Today, I'm using the wood to chalk the rear tire. So we chalk the rear tire. Now I'm going to crack loose the wheel nuts. Position the jack just under the vehicle at the designated lifting point, like so. Now, rotate the jack handle, wind it up clockwise to raise the front end of the vehicle. Now stop. With this wheel station now off the ground, completely take off the wheel nuts. So with this off now, old tire off, new tire on. New tire on, then get our wheel nuts back on. Wheel nuts on, just tighten them by hand as hard as you can, and that's it. With your spare tire back in place, now lower the jack to bring down the vehicle by just turning the handle anti-clockwise. Now what you want to do is fasten this wheel nuts as tight as you can. Once you have the spare tire fitted, the next thing you must do is drive the car to a tire specialist to have the flat tire sorted and refitted. Now, if you decide to go down the route of calling out a tire specialist to come to you, the best place to find the right tire specialist is the Mobrish app. You can download the Mobrish app for free on the App Store or the Play Store. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and follow us for more helpful car tips. Until next time, drive safe.